Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the suggested actions in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, we have got a new feature where you will be given an option to choose from the suggested actions. For example, if you are doing the web automation and after using the launch new Chrome action, it will automatically identify which action can be used later on. So let's say I want to navigate to www.google.com and I'll set the window state as maximized and the browser instance will be stored in the browser. For error handling, I will click on error. And here I will specify the retry policy. So let's say I want to retry 2 times and at the interval of 5 seconds. Okay, so whatever value you will give here, it will be in the seconds. Okay, and after retrying 2 times, if still it is giving error, then it will throw an error and then I will click on save. Now here you can see this small icon. So this icon you can use for suggested actions. This suggested action gets generated using artificial intelligence, right? So the moment you will click on it, you can see here that you have actions that you can use further, right? So what I will do is I will first click on run so that it can navigate to the google.com site. As you can see, it has been able to launch the Google Chrome. Now I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. Now let's say I want to populate the data. So what I will do is I will use populate text field on web page. You can do the same thing from web form filling, right? And from here you can drag the action. But in this case, what we will do is we will use this action from the suggested actions. So this is in preview mode, so this is not available for production, but as of now you can use it for the development and testing. Okay, so now you see that suggested action does not show the popular text field on web page because it is not showing. So what I will do is I will use popular text field on web page. Then I will click on add UI element. And here I will highlight this text area and press Ctrl and left mouse click to capture the element. Element has been captured and here I will type APPL. So this APPL is for Apple stocks. Okay, so I will click on save. And now if I click on this suggested actions, we should be able to get an action which is named as click link on web page. Okay, now I will select this one. So you need to double click so that this action gets opened. Now I will click on add UI element. And now I will highlight this button and press Ctrl and left mouse click. Element has been captured. If you click on advanced, you can disable send physical click. If you disable the send physical click, then your bot will be able to send a click event on the web page even if the web page is not in the foreground. Okay, So for that purpose, I have disabled this option. Now I will click on save, right? And then now if you click on this suggested actions, now you see that you have got these options, right? Run JavaScript function on web page, close web browser, click link on web page. Now you can see that because we have used these two, so these two are coming up in the suggested actions. Apart from that, you can use take screenshot of web page as well. So now what I will do is I will use close web browser. So I will double click on this action and then I will click on save. Before clicking on save, you can see that it has automatically selected the web browser instance. Since there was only one web browser instance, that is why it has automatically selected it. If there were many web browser instances, in that case it will not be automatically selected. You'll have to choose it by clicking on this drop down. Okay, now I will click on save. Now I will run the bot. I will click on run and the execution will start. As you can see, it has been able to navigate to the web page, and now it has been able to populate the data in the text field, and after that it clicked on submit button or search button, and then it closed the web browser. If you want to modify the elements, you can just go to the UI elements. After that you can search the selector and double click on it to check the selector. If you feel that your selector is not working or it is very dynamic, you can make the changes in the selector properties. Suggested actions are currently available in US environment for work or school account users, right? So it is only available for corporate users or for the school account users. So this is all about the suggested actions. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.